Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. You are on Sweet Fruit Diet, and today video I want to share with you top 5 the best snacks for nutritionists. If you follow me in this video, you will know exactly how to win hunger and how to eat healthy snack. Let's go started. We talk a lot about snacks, and for your surprise, nutritionists also eat snacks. But the most important for nutritionists, snacks to be healthy. It's first, and second, it should make you full for some period of time. But I think you will not find any nutritionist or some person who follow healthy lifestyle with some boring snacks or some, I don't know, unhealthy like French fries all the time. It's not a snack, yes, or some bar if it's healthy bar. The most important for everybody is to satisfaction. While we eat something, we want to feel satisfied. I did some investigation and noticed that 15 nutritionists prefer to eat for snacks veggie, sweet fruits, high proteins products, high fiber products. What is that? You'll ask me. And we are going to start our top 5 snacks eat for nutritionists and you. First, one of nutritionists describe how he and even his child likes to eat carrot, fresh carrot, cut it in small pieces with peanut butter or almond butter. Every day he described he eat this kind food. Top second, I personally like to eat apples. Doesn't matter, sweet apple or some squeezy apples. Apples cut it in pieces like bread or like cookie. And I can eat these apples with some ingredients, for example, yogurt, natural yogurt, sugar-free, or I can eat this kind of apples with honey, little bit of honey, or even jam. Number 3, one of nutritionists describe his love with yogurt, Greek yogurt with frozen berries. Every day he eats this kind of food. He needn't to put any sugar to these 2 ingredients because berries gives sweetness and yogurt gives lots of protein. Like stars in the darkest night, crystallize, fascinating. Number 5, the best snacks. I would say almost 0 calories. 100 grams of this product consists only 17 calories. You can eat absolutely kilograms. That's very good. And what is that? This is a cucumber. Of course, cucumber consists lots of water inside and very little calories. It's the best snacks you can eat everywhere. Anytime you feel a little bit of hunger. Baseball, wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. My friends, this is my top, the best snacks for every day. Snacks nutritionists eat, and I recommend you to try. I hope you will reach your destination for losing weight to be healthy. Please subscribe to my channel, don't forget. to watch more videos about healthy lifestyle and healthy products. And I want to tell you goodbye and see you in next video. Bye bye.